in the parking lot popping wheelies with it.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. If you've seen my videos before, then you know that this is a photography channel. And usually what I do is I will share pictures with you, and then I will give you the story behind the photographs. Today there's not going to be a lot of commentary and not even a lot of video footage. I'm just going to share with you some slideshows, from the pictures that I took that day. And these are all from ChopperFest. So if you like choppers and you like photography, there's a good chance that you're going to like this video. So with that being said, let's just get straight into what you came to see. So I hope that you're enjoying the video so far. I do want to talk about one little thing, which maybe is not a little thing. It's actually kind of a big deal. But you're going to notice in a lot of the pictures, there's people in the photographs, in the frames. And the reason for that is, well, number one, it was really crowded and close to impossible to get a picture of a motorcycle without someone in the frame. But really the primary reason, because you're going to see some pictures where there isn't a motorcycle in the frame. It's just a portrait of someone I walked up to and introduced myself to. And the reason for this, the reason why I'm sharing these pictures with you, is because I wanted to convey that these events are not just about motorcycles. These events are about people. And if you've never been to an event like this, if you're not into motorcycles, then it may be a little challenging to understand that or to see that. So I'm kind of just, shedding light on this so that as you watch the next couple of slideshows, that you keep that in the back of your mind, that these events are not just about motorcycles, but it's also about people. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next clip. And like I said before, I hope that you're enjoying the video so far. Let's get into the next clip. All right, so far all of the pictures that you've seen were taken with my mirrorless cameras, but the next slideshow I'm going to show you is just iPhone pictures. And so if you don't have like a nice camera and you want to go out and take pictures, your cell phone is a really great way to start. It's most cell phones now have a really capable camera inside of them. So hopefully this inspires you. Okay, so at this point, we are almost done with today's video. I am going to share with you one more clip. And, you know, they had a bunch of bands there, and there was this one band, and I just really enjoyed their performance. And so I took a short little video clip with my A6000 with a built-in microphone. And I don't think that my camera picked up the sound in a way that does justice to this band. But it was a really groovy band. I don't know the name of the band. So if you know who they are and you want to send them the link, you know, feel free to do that. I'd be happy to send them their pictures as well. But anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed this episode or this video. And if you have, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I wish you all a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever, depending on what time you're watching this. And I hope to see you in the next video, okay?
How y'all doing, man?